Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I have to mention this. I feel like in the last couple of videos I haven't been able to mention this as quickly, but still you guys know what is going on. Every single sit down video I am giving away a Chanel mirror. This is the double facets mirror and I am giving it away to you guys. What you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, like any video, comment on any video you like. This video, I will find you and you can win one of these mirrors. At the moment it is this bright neon pink ribbon that they did for me the other week. I also want to mention, if you watched my black handbag, we're going crazy, okay, we're going crazy. Where my black handbag collection, I said I'm giving away this Marc Jacobs, the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. This is the small vertical, I think it's called. There's so many different sizes, colors, full leather, it's amazing. So I am also giving this away. The same rules apply. Subscribe to my channel, like any video, comment on any, and I will find you to give this Marc Jacobs tote bag away. I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is the sensational, incredibly famous Laura Mercier. And listen, okay, you know you've made it when your name comes on the actual detailed card inside. And over in this beauty, hi Jerusha, hi guys. Okay, they've got TikTok crazy. You know the foundation TikTok where they just put like one layer on of Laura Mercier and the girls just like freak out because it's amazing. So in this amazing box we have their beautiful pure canvas primers. They come in a blurring primer, an illuminating primer, and a hydrating primer. It has 24-hour hydration, smooth skins, and extends makeup wear for what they say is 16 hours here, and that's pretty good. So you won't have breakout or crumbing or anything like that if you wear quite a lot of foundation. Over to the concealers. In this one we have their Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Concealer. This is so beautiful because I like lightweight, especially when you're getting in the creases under the eye and then you have to carry on with the day and you see it flake away with a concealer. Nobody wants that at all. These concealers are available in 22 globally inclusive shades. Now that is something else. So thank you so much to Laura Mercier for sponsoring today's video. Okay, let's get into this. I'm going to try not to do a lot of talking. That's hard for me. I want to open this first with you because I want to wear it. I did open this with Kat and Amy on their luxury live show. If you didn't watch that when it was streaming, that's cool, you can watch it after. I will link it below. This I did unbox with them, we're going to redo it. If you watch my vlog, I will also link that below. I ran around. I went to Hermes and I ran around. And this collective haul I've separated because I'll do my Hermes unboxing completely separately in its own video. Again, if you watch that vlog, you probably saw all the things I got, so I will do that another day. But this I did pick up. It is a brooch. I parted with my other CC brooch, which was like integrated with CZs in it. This is a smaller size and I really like it. It has CZs around one side, then it actually has Chanel printed on the bottom of the other side. It's 24p, so current, and I like the size of it, and we're unboxing it because we're putting it on. What do we think? How does that look? Good? Good. It's gonna have to look good because we don't have time to keep fixing it up. This came in at 940 Australian dollars. It's got CZs in it. I'm pretty sure you can barely get anything under 1,000 anymore, especially if it has crystals, but I really liked this size. Moving on to the main event. I just want to make this point here. If you have followed me from the beginning, and you know what? If you have, what's a cute emoji? Give me the hand, love heart. If you followed me from when I had this. This is my Coach Poppy cosmetic case. So it's the Poppy collection. They did many different kind of collections. I got in Hong Kong. It was essentially like one of my first high-end, you know, designer brands to pick up something, especially when I was in Hong Kong, which I was just getting so much into fashion. I bought it on the island, actually. I was over on the island. My Coach cosmetic case with the silver sequining. I think they also did it in like a bright purple. Give me the heart hands if you've been with me since this. We stopped in. Yes, it's viral right now, okay? And no, I didn't get given this for free. I did not get sent it from Coach. I know there's a lot of hoo-ha that heaps of like social media personalities are getting sent these from Coach to really push it and have it on, you know, TikTok and Instagram and the internet. No, you saw me go there. I got this from David Jones. The sales associate there was so gorgeous because he was so apologetic that he didn't have a box. He was like, I don't have any boxes currently for this bag. He wrapped it really nicely, put the little Coach sticker on it and the beautiful ribbon. So let's go ahead and show you. This feels so nice. Do you know why? Because it's just like, yes, I want to do this. I want to be in the game. I don't always want to show you stuff that's not necessarily tangible for some people. And this is really good. And this is another thing. Oh my God, see? Kai, don't stop talking. So this is the little sateen drawstring dust bag it comes in to show you. It's all wrapped up. Yay! Oh my God, so cute. So it is all wrapped up right now. Give me 1 second to get all this off. Okay, wow, that was surgical. He literally mummified it. I think because he didn't have a box, he felt so bad he like completely wrapped it. Or he said he got it from out the back and it was one of the last in this creamy white. In the pillow, so the quilted soft version, there are a few different versions, okay? I'm not gonna lie that I know all of the different versions. I do know there's a leather harder version in the same kind of setup, and then there is what is become like viral, this cushiony pillow soft lamb. Is it lamb skin? Napa. Delicious. Napa leather. It is something, see? It is something else. Is that pulling up the color nicely? It has its classic Coach New York tab that is there. So Coach, where are we at? What are we doing? Wow, what a resurgence. So I would say a high-end designer, not necessarily contemporary, just for how long this brand and house has been around. Amazing. Started with trunks and luggage, if I am correct. And yeah, what a resurgence in such a great category of price. We are not talking high-end designer luxury, you know, close to a mortgage and more, raising your child, Chanel price increases. We're talking about a nice level entry into designer because it is such a functional piece for this price tag. So, for example, we just told you the Chanel brooch has a 9 in front of it. This tabby in the size 20, I've got it on the receipt here. So it comes in the size, the quilted version comes in the size 20 and 26. I think there is a smaller version. Oh, the bigger version, 33. Yeah, wow, that was quite big. Oh, sorry, the clutch, the wristlet, that was gorgeous as well. They only had that in the pink and purple. Some of the colors are really, really beautiful, really vibrant. Okay, so here's the controversy that's going around, flying around. Coach, its symbol is a C, okay? Who else has a C? It has quilting. Who else has quilting? And Gucci. The Gucci Marmont, okay, the same drop tab to open, right. And then we have the interwoven chain, okay. So much swirling around about how it is your, you know, contemporary entry-level designer brand, a complete copy. If we sat here and analyzed every single handbag to say if it is a copy. We're just going to go around in circles. What we studied in fashion design is what's called perspex inspiration. So your perspective is creating inspiration. How you take it and how you move it across the board is up to the design team. When Coach sat down and obviously thought of this bag and drew it up and looked at its specs and what they wanted to do, firstly based on design, then secondly on size, what is their size ratios. You definitely couldn't get a Gucci Marmont back in the day in all these size versions. There is a lot of it. Features, it has been the biggest hoo-ha, what's going around, what goes around, everybody's copying. Who cares is what I say. If you like it, you buy it. If it is in your budget for designer, then you buy it. If you've saved up for this bag, then you buy it. Simple as that. You watch us luxury YouTubers pulling out these crazy price, ticket high item, ticket luxury designer houses, and it's not relatable in that sense. And you can turn around and get the size 20 TABBY shoulder bag from Coach right now for $795 in Australia. So that is in the $500 mark US, but you have plus tax. See, our tax is included. So we're really only maybe $150 apart for that walkaway price. Okay, $970, $795 for a handbag. There was a card holder in Dior that I looked at in that vlog, the purple one, 1,000, I think it was 1,050. I walked upstairs and I was like, I want this handbag. That is such a great walkaway figure. We have a shoulder bag. On the shoulder, beautiful drop, and then we have the thread through chain, and then you have a long shoulder bag, all crossbody. And it's a good drop. I think if you're slimmer and probably more petite, like shorter than me, it's going to drop quite long. But I think it's suited to really great size options. You can see the really beautiful glazing on the side, so it kind of gives it a black, a black flick when you move it round. You have the tag on a little ball chain there. You can take it off, it's removable. It has all its little engravings, just beautiful. And then you have a back slip pocket. This is an iPhone 14. Yes, if I didn't have such a bulky phone case, we can shove it in there if we want to. Your opening. So I was a little confused at first. First, I thought it was like a mechanism of some sort. No. So it is just a push and pull. However, you've really got to give it some pull out because it's like a rivet that pushes through on one side and then the hole opens and closes from the other side, just like so. So obviously when it's got things in it, it's easier to open and close, but it can come from all the features. Coach engraved on the inside buckle. We have the TABBY bag, genuine Napa leather, stamped there on this inside lip. Again, an inner covered compartment. I know there was so much gossip, very similar to another CC brand. Who cares, right? I'm not judging. Why would anybody else judge? It is a smaller slip compartment there on the front. Two main body compartments with some stuffing. We will take that out for you. There is a little the little leather plaque for Coach on the back, which is also in my pouch. They're on all of them, and it tells you the history of the company and the dates and everything like that in leather. It's I've said this before. When these companies are out here and you've got these price tags and you look at them, and we complain about leather or stitches popping or patina and marking and things like that, and this is coated canvas on Louis Vuitton. This is not leather. This is Napa leather. The quality is just sensational. Okay, it is sensational. That is it. That is what I wanted to unbox and show you guys. It is a great size bag. where it's not too big, not too small. Again, this is the 20, then they have the 26. Very usable. It's a great kind of size to, you know, maybe go out to the movies or a dinner, or even if you have a function, especially in this creamy white, like a wedding. Designer coming in at that price tag, you're laughing. You're absolutely laughing. So it's a win for me. It is a win for me, and I love the freedom of showing this to you guys. And I said that on Kat and Amy's luxury live show the other day, is that I said I envy the freedom of being able to move outside of the high-end houses, the top 3 houses of Hermes, Chanel, Vuitton. I envy that. I love the freedom of watching other girls in the community talk about these other brands and Fendi and Jacquemus and all of them, and talk Loewe and talk about moving their money around and not feeling stuck in the top tiers, because it's very addictive up there. And we were saying that in the show, is that Hermes is addictive. It is, you know, you just get trapped. Where are we leaving? Where are we saying we've done, we've had enough, where, you know, we're not going to keep trying to sort of grab these bags, and just walking out and seeing this and going, I want to take one home. I want to know what the rage is about. I want to know, because it is going off. Again, please enter my giveaways. Actually, now I think about it, I should give away a wristlet. Oh my god. Also, leave me the heart hand emoji if you think I should give away a wristlet in the TABBY Coach bag. I'm just giving everything away, okay guys? A Chanel compact mirror and the Marc Jacobs the tote bag. I'm giving them away. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment anywhere. I will find you and you can win one of these items. So I hope everybody is doing really well, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.